We'll guide you through how to make a Game Pass in the Roblox app. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different reasons you may want to do this, maybe it's a please donate or something else. To go and get started though, head to the bottom right and there you can press more. On the more page you can scroll down, find the option for create and click there. Now what you need to do is wait for this to load and you can press the 3 lines in the top left. You want to go down and press creations. In here, you want to go into experiences and my experiences and click on your place. By default, everybody will have one. You may need to click it twice. After you've done that, you want to press the 3 lines in the top left, scroll down into the monetization section and press passes. Now you can scroll down and you should see the option for create a pass. Click there. Optionally, you can go and add an image. You have to go and give it a name. Optionally, add a description and you can press create pass at the bottom. That's it, you've now created it. If you want to go and put it on sale, which is needed for it to go and appear in things like please donate, go and click on it, then press the 3 lines in the top left and press sales. Switch on item for sale and set the price. Press save changes at the bottom, make sure you read and you can then agree to this if you do, and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.